What are you barking at? What are you barking at, girls? Come here. Peppa? 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 Peppa's done. Shuggy? Sugar Baloney? Sugar Baloney? Are you ready to come to your room? Are you ready to come to your room? Peppa! Are you ready to come to your room? Peppa! Don't you dig that hole. Don't you dig in that hole. Doggy, Peppy. Peppa. Peppa. Right. What are you doing? Don't start picking on her just because I come down here. Stop picking on her, Pepper. Stop picking on her. Stop picking on my Sugar Baloney. Stop picking on my Sugar Baloney. Stop, Pepper. Pepper. Sugar Baloney. Sugar Baloney. Sugar Baloney. What is your jealous problem? Don't you be growling at her. Don't you be growl. Don't you growl. Don't you growl. You stop that growling. You stop it now. No, don't be growling. No, Sugar Baloney's not bothering nobody, is her? Her's not. Her's a good girl. Her's a good one, girl. Pepper? Pepper? Hush. What is your problem? Did you dig that hole? Did you dig that big hole right there beside you? Peppa. Peppa, look at me. Look at me. Peppa. Peppa. Did you dig that hole? Peppa's digging holes again. Peppa's digging holes. She acts like Shuggy does it, but Shuggy don't dig all the holes. Peppa digs the holes. Peppa's digging them holes. Yes, Peppa's digging them holes. Peppa, where you going, you guilty dog? You guilty dog, where you going? Where you going, guilty? Guilty. Going back to digging that hole some more? You gonna dig the whole backyard up? Is that what you're gonna do? Are you gonna dig the whole yard up? Are you gonna dig the whole yard up? What? Are you gonna dig the whole yard up? Yes, you're gonna dig the whole yard up. Why do you always pick on her? Leave her alone. Say, just leave me alone. Pepper, quit.